How to use coins on AliExpress application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily use coins on AliExpress application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open AliExpress application on your device, and then if you have not logged in with your account details, simply firstly log in. After you have logged in with your account details, head towards your profile. In the profile, you will see the option of coin. Simply click on it, and there you will see the option to convert all your coins to a particular coupon on AliExpress application. So that is the first method to use coins on AliExpress. In the next method, you can simply purchase certain items using those coins. It actually depends upon the seller. There are certain sellers on AliExpress application who want coin in exchange of their item. So that's it. That is how easily you can use coins on AliExpress application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.